Estimating how small the particles are. Materials require potassium permanganate, dropper or syringe, few ml of water, test tubes chain and test tubes. Take 5 or 4 test tubes and place it on the test tube stand. Materials I am using in this video are from Sparklebox Science Experiment Kit 9th standard. Actually, I have uploaded video of unboxing that Sparklebox. I will just give that video link in description box. You can go and check it. Time to fill all 5 or 4 test tubes with equal quantity of water. Take some potassium permanganate in the spatula. You can also do as what I am doing in the video. Make a solution by adding a small amount of potassium permanganate solution by using spatula in the first test tube. I am just shaking it. Be careful with the potassium permanganate because it may harm your skin. Now time to add few drops of potassium permanganate solution into the next beaker like I am doing. Add this solution to the next beaker. Now add potassium permanganate solution from this beaker to the fourth beaker. Observe the color of all 4 test tubes and conclude how small the particles of matter are. The materials I used in this video are from Sparklebox experimental kit. Actually, I have unboxed that kit and I have uploaded the video. You can go and check it in my description box. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Ashwika. Thank you for watching. Bye.